Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We have something weird going on with our Chevy Cruze engine. The traction control alert on the instrument panel has appeared and it's making a real loud suction sound and bogging down. Let's head out to the vehicle and check it out. Alright YouTubers, at the engine now, and the top portion of your crankcase or valve cover, you have this cover plate that covers your ignition coil, and it is held in just by two little plastic prongs. As you can see here, underneath the ignition cover you have your ignition coil there. Underneath your ignition coil you have your spark plugs, and this is the part that I want to reference. See that little square hole? That is how this part properly breathes. However, what happens when that internal diaphragm breaks down, fails, rips, or tears, it will no longer operate the correct way. So what we want to do is turn the engine on, let the engine run for a few minutes, come back in here and carefully run our finger across that hole to plug it. In the event that it makes an aggressive suction noise, chances are that internal diaphragm and part has failed and this entire cover has to be replaced, because unfortunately just this one piece is not serviceable. So that's unfortunate, because when that fails you have to go out and buy this entire new valve cover. Let's turn on the engine. Engine is now running, and one thing I want to point out, in the event that you get a traction control alert on your instrument cluster or dashboard, it is mainly tied to that part right there. So let's go. As you can see and hear, it is a very aggressive suction. One thing that we are experiencing is degraded engine performance, and we can hear this internal diaphragm making a really loud and obnoxious suction sound. So unfortunately, it threw the traction control alert as well as the P0171 error code, and now we have to replace this entire part. And what I want to do, the engine is finally starting to idle down. I just want to see if you can hear that suction. And as it makes that suction sound, the engine is bogging down. And this is a manual transmission. And believe it or not, sitting in the car, you can see that shift knob rattle while it bogs down. So we are going to replace this part. If you need step-by-step guidance, which I recommend, you may find it very helpful, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We're going to show you how to remove this old part and put the brand new part on and get this issue fixed. Definitely check that out. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next video. Let's get that part replaced.